What's up, guys? Check it out. Finally got it. The beautiful wife hooked it up once again. It's their Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800. So this thing is, you can kind of think of it as like a pellet grill, but way better. So instead of pellets, it actually uses charcoal, and that's got multiple benefits. One, it's gonna have that charcoal flavor, is not much of a surprise, obviously. Two, it's going to have a whole lot more power than pellet grills. Pellet grills aren't really known for their ability to sear some meat or get too hot. This thing can. 700 degrees, no problem. Gets from 0 degrees, basically cold, to 700 in 13 freaking minutes. That's impressive. The other good thing about this grill is it's basically a griddle as well. It actually comes with the griddle top that takes up the entire grill surface, which is pretty large in itself. So you get a charcoal grill that goes from 150 to 700 degrees, a smoker that can run on just pure charcoal, or you can add wood chunks in there, wood chips, whatever. Probably even freaking throw a whole log in here if you wanted to. And then on top of that, it's a griddle. So you can cook up breakfast, some hibachi stuff, sear some burgers, steaks, whatever you want to do. All right, needless to say, I'm excited for this guy. It was on back order forever. The wife hooked it up like she always does. It was a surprise. All right, so let's open this guy up and check it out. All right, let's go. Freaking giant box. There it is. All right, so as you can tell, it's packaged freakishly well. So we're gonna get this all taken apart and then get it together. And I'm unboxing in hyperspeed. I'll be doing a little bit of this throughout the video just so we all get the gist of it, but we're not here all day. Let's go. All right, as you can tell, there's a whole lot of stuff in this guy. It's crazy the amount of stuff they package in even that giant box. And by the way, look at all that trash that's in there now. All right, so it looks like this is gonna be kind of like a medium-sized build. Definitely not the easiest, but could be worse. There's all the stuff. There's the cooling grates, the racks, the shelf, the bottom shelf, the charcoal basket, the manifolds. I am really impressed with the amount of stuff they fit in there. And you know what? I didn't even check that hopper. Let's see if there's anything else in there. One last surprise. And what do you know? There's another box. Whew, a lot of stuff. All right, so as you can probably tell, I went ahead and actually flipped the grill upside down because it seems like a lot of the steps are with the grill upside down. So this hopefully is not gonna require too many tools, so I'm just gonna be using my Ryobi European 12-volt drill that I love. Did a video on that, check that out. A handheld Phillips screwdriver, this adjustable bionic wrench. All right, let's get to it. All right, fun's over, time to get to it. So with it upside down, it's really not too bad. Basically, all you're doing is installing the legs and then all the supporting brackets that connect it together. Make sure you follow the steps though, as I learned. And then here is that fan that's gonna blow on the charcoal and really get things going. Next, I am working on mounting everything in place once it's loosely in there. And then now is the wheels and casters. Those guys just screw in. Here I'm working on the side shelf and the computer of this. This part sucked though. This guy is freaking heavy. Just about 200 pounds. And very awkward. It says to go with 2 people, but hey, I got it done on myself. Finishing this up. Just, whoa, wait, what's that? Who's here? Is that my Bessie and a Tessie? It could be. Dun 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 dun, wife's home. There she is. She's bringing home the bacon. Now I'm gonna cook it up on this griddle. All right, back to it. So just a few more steps. Now I'm just working on the internal stuff. There's a manifold, there's that front shelf. Look at those grill grates, cast iron and high quality. A few more grill grates and bam, It's done. Finally. Click! Here it is the next day, obviously. That really wasn't too bad. I would suggest paying attention to the steps because there were a few steps that I thought I could skip and just do my own way, only to find out later that I had to undo them just because the parts wouldn't align correctly if I just kept them the way they were. But hey, that's just always part of the fun of building stuff, right? All in all, this thing feels like it's pretty decent quality. It's not super old school heavy build, but it's smart build and double walled where it needs to be instead of just a huge thick piece of metal. Here's some of the paperwork for it. It shows the griddle and how all that stuff works. Not too bad. 800 square inches, obviously. Can't believe how hot and fast this thing gets. Here it is with the manifold, the griddle down there, some of the accessories, and bam! There's my beautiful wife and our toys. I know, I'm lucky. Alright, so until next time, peace. Yes, dear. Okay, can we try it one more time? Oh, shit. Hell yeah. I didn't think it would, I ordered it just barely yesterday. I didn't think it would come very. What?
You didn't order it.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
You just fucking in one day they shipped it. That's crazy. What? That's impressive. Sweet, thanks, baby. Tell me that wasn't a good. I had you like,
No, you didn't.
I thought the bad ass.
Whatever. Well, okay.